Hi dear friends, how are you all doing? This is the last lecture video for this semester and I will use it to review the same lesson which talks about foods and the nutrients we get from a variety of food. As you know now, foods are classified into 5 food groups. The fruits group that includes strawberries, apples, bananas, oranges, and other kinds of fruits. Vegetables group that contain all kinds of vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, peppers, broccoli. Pasta, bread, rice, cereals belong to the grains group, while eggs, different kinds of fish, chicken, meat, beans also are parts of the proteins group. The milk and all of its products are part of the dairy group. They belong to the dairy group. The 5 food groups must supply the body with 6 different types of nutrients. Some of the nutrients are the proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, and they are all needed for the growth of the body. Proteins are provided by the foods that belong to the proteins group, such as the chicken, the fish, and the eggs. Pasta, bread, and rice belong to the grains group since they are rich in complex carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables are important since they are a good source of vitamins and of minerals. Vitamin D is also provided by the dairy products. The calcium is also an important mineral that is provided by the dairy product. Your body needs a small amount of fats, and this amount can be provided by foods such as fatty fish, olive oil, and nuts. In order to grow healthy, your body needs nutrients. Nutrients are the good substances found in food and that your body take to grow and to live in a healthy way. There are 6 types of nutrients. Say them with me. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and water. Each nutrient has its own job in the body. Proteins are important, and there are 2 different sources for the proteins. We can get them from foods from animal origin, and we can also get them from plants. Meat, chicken, fish, and eggs are sources of proteins. Also, beans, nuts and their butters, breads are also a good source of proteins. You need proteins to grow since proteins are the building blocks of your bodies. Your hair grow taller, your nails grow taller, you grow taller because of the proteins that help you build your body. Vitamins are also important. There are 13 important vitamins for the body. Some vitamins are called fat-soluble vitamins. Some others are called water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins can be stored in the body, and in here we're talking about vitamins A, D, E, and K. Eating carrots and spinach will provide your body with vitamin A. Milk and eggs give you vitamin D. Asparagus, olives, and avocado are rich in vitamin E, and you will find vitamin K in tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. For the water-soluble vitamins, these vitamins cannot be stored in the body, so you need to keep providing your body with vitamins C and B. Strawberries, oranges, and broccoli are rich in vitamin C. Vitamins B are found in mangoes and in peaches. Each vitamin has its own job. For example, vitamin A helps you to see well. Vitamin D helps you grow strong teeth and bones. Vitamin C helps you to fight germs. So you need to eat all kinds of foods that provide your body with the 13 needed vitamins. Your body needs 13 different vitamins, but 20 different minerals to grow and to stay healthy. Okay? Examples of minerals are iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and each mineral has its own job in the body. For example, iron is needed for your blood to work well. You need calcium to grow strong teeth and strong bones. Potassium is needed for your muscles. And fluoride, let's say, is needed for your teeth also. So there are 20 different minerals, and each mineral has a job in the body. But don't you need also energy to move, to do different activities, to understand your lessons? This energy is provided to you from the carbohydrates you consume. The carbohydrates give your body energy, and there are two types of carbohydrates. The simple carbohydrates that give you a quick energy, and the complex carbohydrates or starch that need time to be digested. Pepsi, ice creams, candies, biscuits are examples of food rich in simple carbohydrates, all kinds of sweets. While kinds of foods that belong to the grains group are rich in complex carbohydrates or starch. Fats are also needed since they help you to absorb some vitamins. Like we said, vitamins A, D, E, and K need fat to be absorbed. Fats help us to build some hormones. They give us also energy. Fats are found in different kinds of foods such as nuts, chocolate, butter, and oil. The last type of nutrients is the water. Water is important since it helps you to control your body temperature. It helps you to absorb some vitamins. It helps you to digest food also. Let's do this together. Go get any kind of packaged food that you have in your kitchens, and let's read together the nutrition facts label found on this kind of food. I will take, for example, this one. The label tells us that this kind of food has fats, it has sodium, which is a mineral, it has carbohydrates, and proteins. This food provides us also with vitamin D, with calcium, iron, and potassium that are minerals. Let's, for example, check what's the job of the proteins in the body. So what do proteins do? Proteins are components of every cell in your body. They are necessary for your growth and for your development. They help you build and repair cells in tissue. They are major parts of your skin, hair, nails, muscles, bones, and internal organs, so almost everything. Vitamin D. So they're saying that diets rich in vitamins and minerals help in your growth, development, and normal body functioning. What do vitamins do? I'll read. The human body needs the right mix of nutrients. You should consume the right amounts of vitamins and minerals in addition to carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Is this food rich in carbohydrate or in protein? Let's see. We have to write carbohydrate or protein. I will start with this bread. Carbohydrate or protein? Complex carbohydrate. Great. Fish. Protein. Excellent. Noodles or pasta. Carbohydrates. Excellent. What about bread? Carbohydrate. Good job. Rice. Complex carbohydrate. Excellent. Chicken. Protein. Great job. Cake. What does cake provide us with? Simple carbohydrate. It is sweet and it provides us with simple carbohydrates. Eggs. Protein. Fish. Protein also. Milk. Protein. Great job. Meat. Protein. Well done. Nuts. Protein. Cereals. Carbohydrates. Let's see. So all of our answers are correct. We get different nutrients from different kinds of food. And this is it. This was a revision of our lesson. There are 6 types of nutrients needed by our body to grow and to stay healthy. The 6 types of nutrients are the carbohydrates, the minerals, the vitamins, the proteins, the fats, and the water. Don't forget, water is also too important for you. Each one of the nutrients has a job in the body. Carbohydrates for the energy. Minerals, there are 20 different minerals and each mineral has a job. Iron for the blood, phosphorus, potassium for the muscles, calcium for the teeth and bones. There are 13 vitamins. Some of them are fat soluble, some others are water soluble, and each vitamin has a job in the body. Vitamin A for you to see well, vitamin D for your teeth and bones, vitamin C for you to fight germs, so they keep you healthy. You need also proteins to build your body. Proteins are the building blocks for your blood, your bones, your muscles, your hair. Fats are also important, but in a small amount, since they help you to absorb some vitamins, they give you energy, etc. Different kinds of foods contain different types of nutrients. We saw the 5 food groups and the nutrients they provide us with. Some food come from a plant origin, like beans, like fruits and vegetables. Some others have an animal origin, meat, chicken, fish, eggs, milk. There are 5 food groups in a food plate. So each time, guys, you want to eat, your meal must contain the 5 food groups. You must have foods from the fruits group, foods from the vegetables group, foods from the grains group, foods from the proteins group, and foods from the dairy group. That's what we call a healthy meal. A healthy meal displays the 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. That's it. I will be happy to answer all of your questions if you have any. Thank you for watching. See you.